Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Juliana. I always feature this video for my Instagram at the beginning of my videos, which by the way, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Basically, it was a neckline hairstyle guide and I wanted to make a more dedicated video on the topic. I've seen a lot of YouTube shorts for this neckline hairstyle guide, but I've never actually seen a video breaking down why each pair works together. I think the key to matching your hairstyle to your neckline is to kind of identify the vibe that the neckline gives off and then pairing it with a corresponding hairstyle. And by vibe, I mean the general style, so whether it's cute, sexy, retro, etc. For the most part, I found that the higher the neckline, the more upswept the hair should be. So in other words, the more open the neckline, the bigger the hair, and vice versa. And this is what is going to prevent our décolleté from looking crowded and us looking overdone in our outfits. Throughout this video, I'm going to be showing every neckline hairstyle pairing with my own hair, but if you don't have my exact hair type, not to worry because I'll be adding some inspo pics for the other hair types. And this should go without saying, but these are definitely not hard and fast rules on what hairstyles you can wear. We all have different face shapes and hairstyle preferences. Just think of this video as a guide of suggestions. Alright, let's begin. First, the sweetheart neckline. This neckline is very feminine, so we want hairstyles like romantic waves or an updo that can complement this flirty and softer style. If the style has sleeves or shoulder details, it can be better to pull the hair back somewhat so it doesn't compete with the top. For this, try a half up, half down hairstyle or a low bun. For a high neckline with a turtleneck, the hair is going to look best if it's swept up and back. This way it doesn't compete with such a statement neckline. Wearing your hair down, depending on how puffy your hair tends to get, can crowd in your face and make the entire area look a bit bunched up. Instead, choose chic updos like sleek buns to keep the focus on the neckline. For off the shoulder, having your hair down is a great choice. This will balance out the open space of the shoulders and adds to the more flirtatious vibe of this neckline. However, if you want more of an evening look, opt for an updo with long drop earrings. In this case, it will be the earrings that are providing balance while keeping the shoulders exposed. Let me know if you want to see a guide that pairs earrings and necklaces with your neckline. Strapless. Since this is kind of an extension of the off-the-shoulder neckline, we want to have the hair fully down to balance out the shoulder exposure. Having a high bun with no jewelry can make you look a bit bare. Instead, opt for hairstyles like effortless, loose waves, or more glamorous curls. Straight hair or braids will look great as well, just something that interacts visually with the shoulders. Next, onto the square neckline. A square neckline is a very bold shape, so we want a hairstyle that can balance out this angularity and add softness. Therefore, something like a half up, half down style will be perfect. Now, the halter neckline. A halter neck is by nature backless, so an updo will often be the best choice. Keeping the hair up and away from the neck will allow the halter design to really shine. If you want to opt for your hair down, try more romantic curls to complement the retro style that the halter necklines give off. Really tousled waves or crimped hair can look odd unless of course it's in a swimwear context. Alright, crew neck. The crew neck is a super timeless and versatile neckline and will suit many hairstyles. Since it's a more minimal style, opt for a ponytail or wear your hair straight or tucked behind your ears. These are hairlines that will complement the sleek look of a crew neck and ensure a polished appearance. Now, onto hoodies. For a hooded neckline, think of it like we have a scarf around our neck. We want the hair to be upswept so it doesn't compete with the hood. I think the only exception for this would be if you wear braids. The braids give the hair more movement and prevent the hair from looking like one solid shape. So in this way, it won't compete with the neckline as much. And lastly, the plunge neckline. This is probably the most bold and daring among traditional necklines. So we definitely want a hairstyle that allows the neckline to shine. A great way to complement the sleek nature of a plunge neckline is with straight hair that's tucked behind the ear and parted down the middle. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for this video. Like I mentioned, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more fashion and beauty content. I do a lot of outfit inspo on there. As always, please let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. I'm always open to your suggestions. And yeah, if you like this video, definitely consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!